Hello internet people! Did you just install a WordPress plugin for YouTube videos, but now you realize that you need a YouTube API key to properly use the plugin? In this video, I'll show you how to generate an API key, how to retrieve one, and how to secure it. API key is really useful for video metadata, which Google uses for ranking videos and websites.
Tips with punch.
Alright, first of all, make sure you are logged in into Google. This will make this tutorial much smoother.
It's showtime.
Go to your browser and type in console.developers.google.com. The link for this monster is in the description. At top of the page, next to Google API's logo, click on the dropdown. A pop-up will appear that prompts you to select a project, but we just want to create a new project, so select New Project, add a project name. The location is optional. This just means the location in a folder. It's useful if you have a lot of different APIs, but I'm going to just skip it.
Useless trivia.
Then click on Create. In the search box at the top of the dashboard, search for YouTube. There will be few options, but you should select the YouTube Data API version 3. On this YouTube API library page, click on Enable. And in the left column, select Credentials. Click on Create Credentials dropdown. Then select API Key. Now your API key is created. You can see there is a small exclamation mark here. I'll explain this in just few seconds. For now, just click on Copy to Clipboard. And now you can paste the API key to WordPress and your videos will have full meta information. Arnie, what do you think?
Into the boat.
My name is Robert, and if you're looking to master the digital world while getting entertained, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button and find the bell icon so that you get notified about new videos. To retrieve your API key at any point, go to your projects from the drop-down next to Google API's logo. At the top, select Credentials from the left column. Here you will see all your API keys. Just click on the Copy to Clipboard and you have your API. And now you can go and kick around bad guys like this. Look at them, making Star Wars sounds while fighting. So, let's go back to that exclamation mark. This is a way for Google to tell you that the API key is not protected. Google recommends that you add a restriction just to increase the security. Now, please note that some plugins don't seem to work with the IP restrictions, so double check in the plugin's FAQs if this will work. We are here in the project we just created. Click on Edit. It's the little pen next to your API key. Add a name to the restriction. Then select how you want to restrict the key. Most common ways are HTTP and IP address restrictions. I'll use the IP address, and in most cases you will need your website's IP address. To find your website's IP address, just go to Google and search for Find My Website IP. Click on the first result. In the search box, type in your website URL and click on Enter. Then it will display you your website's IP address. Just copy the IP address and paste it in API restriction. At the bottom of the page, click on Save. And now your API key is protected. And here are two videos that you might find useful. In the first one, you will learn how to install the most useful YouTube plugins for WordPress. The second one will show you how to install SSL certificate for free. Whoosh!